RD! 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 Get in here! I swear that boy never answers me when I call him. I'm getting so sick of him doing that to me. Beats all I ever did see.
Yeah, Ma.
Why didn't you answer me when I called you?
I did, Ma.
Liar! Now get over here so I can see you better. Now why didn't you empty that garbage like I told you to?
I did, Ma.
Liar! Oh, you're such a liar. I'm so sick and tired of your lying. That's it. I had it up to here. That's it. I had it with you. Once and for all. Get the hell is wrong here?
What are you gonna do with that iron, Ma? Ma! Here comes! Olé!
Empty that trash!
I did, Ma!
Liar! Are you gonna get your ass out of there, or what? Quick, we're turning around!
What are you doing?
I'm heading home.
Well, that's one way to hide the hole, but let's show the folks the real way to hide the hole.
Really?
Yeah.
No, wait, look. You could hide stuff in there.
What are you talking about, hide stuff?
I mean, you could, like, put your knife. You could hide a camera in there also.
Yeah, I guess you.
Nobody would ever see it.
You could, man, but let's show the folks the real way to hide a hole.
Okay.
Let's show them how to hide the hole right.
All right.
Okay. Hi folks, James Allen Reeves here. Today's video is going to be about how to repair drywall hole. As you can see, we've got a hole knocked in the wall. So the tools we're going to need today is a pencil, roll tape, mesh tape, putty knife, caulk, little block of drywall, and a keyhole saw. Now we're going to show them how we do this. What you want to do is you want to find a piece of drywall that will cover the hole, like that. And then you want to scribe a mark around the perimeter of the drywall. Now this makes it real easy. Then you just take your keyhole saw, cut your hole, once you get your hole cut, Now this strip of wood, this is just an old scrap piece of wood we had here on the job site. Plywood works the best, but this is just something, this will work really good for what we're going to do. You just stick it in the hole like that. Then you're ready to put a screw in it. And you put a screw at the top and at the bottom of that board. Now you want to make sure that you pull that stick towards you, and then because that stick will have a tendency to go into the wall, and once you get that in place, Rudy missed it, there you go. All right, and then that's good and secure. You're ready for your little block of sheetrock. And then, how does it fit, Rudy?
Fits pretty good.
And so you're ready to put a screw in that now. Push too hard, there you go. Once you get the screws in, you're ready for your mesh tape. Now the way I do this is I use my knife and I put it on the wall. This stuff is sticky. You just put the blade against it and it cuts it right off. See how simple that was? Same thing goes here. I'm going to hold it up there, roll it out a little bit, smooth it off, cuts it right off. So you just go all the way around the perimeter, and then you are about ready to get the drywall mud on there. Once you get this tape on, the battle is halfway over. Okay, now Rudy, if you'll show them how to put the drywall mud on. Now what we're doing here, we're just using regular drywall mud. If you want to use some quick set, that's fine. But you just put a coat of drywall mud over the mesh, and it's going to be really good. Now this particular job, we're going to put a texture on this wall, and once you put the texture on, you won't ever see this patch. That's the whole idea about texture. There you have it, folks. Simple patch. That's how you hide a hole. Now I know you're saying, well, I can still see it. Well, we're not done with it. This is just the first step. You put the mud on there, let it dry, come back, sand it, put some more mud, done. Or if you want to use a quick set, you can do it a lot quicker. But we got all day here, so we're going to just do it this way. So I hope you enjoyed that quick review on how to patch a hole. And well, I tell you what, Rudy, I think we got our work cut out for us in this house. Okay, folks, now we're ready for our second coat. And the second coat will actually hide the membrane that you're seeing there a little better. So I'm just going to use a little wider trowel. This is more important. This is very important to use a trowel that's big enough to cover the hole, or at least most of it. So once I put this coat on there, this mud didn't get stirred. Now that we've got that pretty much covered, tomorrow, when this is nice and dry, we'll come back in here and we will sand it off. If it's a little bit high, we'll sand it off, and we'll do the texture on the wall. Well, folks, I hope you've enjoyed that little demonstration on how to repair a drywall hole. And well, in the future we'll show you more different details. This particular one we're going to texture, so it's not near as critical as a smooth wall finish, which is more common back in the Midwest. Here in the Southwest, we put a skip trowel texture on everything, and this type of patch, you can disguise them very easily, you can hide them. And that's the right way to hide a drywall hole, not hanging a picture in front of it. Rudy. Hey, did you hear something?
I think so.